In this video, I'll show you how to add a link to an image in Figma. Start by opening Figma and selecting the file that contains the image you want to make clickable. Once your design is open, click on the image to select it. Next, go to the right-hand panel and switch to the Prototype tab. This is where you can add interactions to your design. With the image selected, click on the small circular node that appears on the side of the image, then drag it to another frame if you want to link within your project. If you want to link to an external website, look for the interaction settings in the right panel. Change the action to Open Link, then paste the URL you want to use. Make sure the trigger is set to On Click so the link works when the image is clicked. After that, click the Present button in the top right corner to preview your design and test the link. And that's it. You've successfully added a clickable link to an image in Figma. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.